We do our best to be careful. I don't want my people taking risks. I don't want faulty equipment. I don't want anyone to get hurt. And that's beyond the lawsuits and everything else. You add on the lawsuits, it can put you out of business. My name is Ben Jackson. I'm the president of Ben's General Contracting Corp. It's a business I started in 1980. A long time ago. It's over 33 years in business. Same town, same company. A lot of the same people work for me. A lot of my employees have been with me for a very long time. We started out doing smaller home improvement jobs, and we've grown. We do some bigger commercial work. We still do residential. We still build some homes. We have about 20 people in the company right now. There's about 6 office staff, and I'd say about 14 field employees. When I started seeing rates go up, I would go to my insurance company and say, well, what can I do? Can I provide OSHA training? Can I do all the things that we are doing, because we want to do it anyway? But I don't want to say they didn't care, but it didn't have any effect on my rates, my policy, my ease of renewal. We have a very good record. We don't have there are some minor injuries in my company, which is going to happen in construction. Unfortunately, construction is naturally not a safe, it's inherently not a safe business. I don't think that it's fair. I think absolute liability is absurd. Why is it only for accidents in construction? Where am I responsible for somebody else who works for me, who I have to make sure carries insurance? It's required by my insurance company. Why do we have workman's comp and then go well beyond it? We're not looking to abolish this law. I don't think that's the answer either, but I do think it needs to be reformed. 49 other states have done it. And from what I've read statistically, construction would increase by at least 25%, and that would be great for New York's economy. It's crazy. I got an excellent claim history. It seems as if I get canceled for non-renewal every year without any claims. When I do finally find a new policy, it's not going up 10% or 20%. They're doubling and tripling. And my fear is this year, and my understanding is, it's going to do much more than that. These costs get passed on to the consumer. When you see the numbers, you have to charge somebody. You have to say to yourself, is it reasonable? You have to say to yourself, would I spend that kind of money? Right now, there are programs we're trying to get into. We're growing at a nice rate. The rates of our insurance, we can't afford to keep up with, what it'll cost us to grow at that rate. It's almost like having a partner. It's almost like dealing with the mob. We want a percentage of your business. We want our cut. And where is this money going? This goes to the insurance company, goes to the attorneys who are writing these laws. I mean, that's not my, as a kid, that's not how my vision of America was. That's not what I learned in American history. The people that are writing the laws are the attorneys who are profiting from these laws. I don't know where there is a non-collusion there. I mean, to me, that's, you got the wolf watching the sheep. And it's out of control. It's epic. It's proportional. I mean, when the school construction authority can't build schools to put our kids in and educate them, you're destroying society. And for what? How much money can these guys possibly make? It's a disgrace. It really is.